Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to turn your photo to become a cool black dragon prince. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, the first step you can do, you can access this CapCut first. And here I will access it with my Android phone. And don't worry, guys, because this CapCut can be also installed into your tab or the iOS phone and also can be installed too with your PC, guys. And after that, this is the look of the homepage of the CapCut. And don't forget to do the login first with your email to get more access to try the several tool over here. And since we would like to turn the picture, so here I will go to the template here. And after that, I will go to the searching section and I will type black dragon like this, and after that you will see a lot of template that can change your photo to become the cool of black dragon, guys. And for example, I will choose this one. This is the preview, and after the process, so this will be the output, guys. As you can see behind this man, there is the black dragon behind, and also the, let's say, the attire or the clothes can be changed too with this print style. Isn't that cool, right? And also for this template will give you 3 chances to transform or turn your picture into this style. So I will continue to click use template here, and after that I will select the picture. For example, I will choose this one and I will click next, and kindly wait for the generation process, and also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smooth and run fast, guys. Kindly wait for the output. And after waiting for a while, so the result or the output is ready to watch. Let's see. So this like or kind of the transition animation from the previous photo like this to become this one. Isn't that cool, right? And also maintaining the original face of this man. And after that, if you would like to save this picture or this transition animation, you can click export here and continue to click here, and this transition will be officially saved into your gallery. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.